Canada is inside my garden. Look here. Huh? This leaf. The cat in front of the leaf. Hey, cat, go away from the leaf. I have to. Oh, no. This way. Oh, look. It looks like a raccoon, but it's a cat. Cat, don't ruin my video. I'm recording the leaf of Canada here in Rome. Huh? The leaf of Canada here in Rome. And the cat wanted it to appear like a raccoon. You see? It has the tail like a raccoon. But she is a cat. And look, it is like living in Canada. But we are in Rome. This is quite the same leaf of the Canada's symbols. It is unbelievable. It is falling from a tree. From here, I don't know where. There are no leaves around. I really don't know. So, this leaf quite identical to Canada leaves. And here, this cat want to be a raccoon, but is a cat. That's all. I want to share with you this leaf. That's all. Okay. Hey, cat. Raccoon cat. Raccoon cat. Hey. Psst, psst, psst. Okay. That's all.